guys. It's cool.
Don't be dicks. Don't be dicks.
We're not being dicks, right? See those? Let's get rolling. Breaks up.
That is crazy. Can you do it at the same time? What up? Oh wait, my hand's in the way.
It is majestic.
Hey.
Like magic.
Without bitches.
There's a bunch of them. See, they are hogging the best spot to fucking dock. What a bunch of cunts. Are we docking?
Bird shit everywhere. All the birds are.
This is not a solid island.
Might as well go around it right here.
Literally told me to come here. Literally.
No, I want to go
Literally.
Hey, Jared, you got something?
Yeah, what's going on with your line there?
Probably just fucking rock on the island. Oh yeah, definitely rock.
Ah, no. Bro, reverse. You're gonna lose that hook.
I love that sound.
Okay, wait a second. Let's have slack on that line.
Snap. It's gonna snap. Fucking. Not very polite. You look rude.
Rewind it back.
Hey Tony, you're doing a good job, bro. Doing a good job, bro. Doing a good job. What?
I'm fine, but I just feel like we're getting wetter now.
Yeah, we are.
So fucking fast. No!
Yes! Your legs are frozen.
I'm not fucking sharing a flag with your girlfriend, man. Leave me alone.
Hey, hey.
Till I collapse, I'll keep on rolling.
Yeah, roll, bitch. Roll, god damn it.
Till you with the steps.
Baby now.
Hey, no littering.
Don't be an asshole.
Yeah, Tony, quit. That's not rowing, bitch.
My feet are also cold. You didn't ask me about them.
That's it. Keep rowing. Okay. Okay. Man.
You know what? There's no rowing thing. Yeah, because we're fixing our way because you stopped. I kind of like it.